Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support for watching my videos. I'm here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan in Curry Island. I will tour you around. Please enjoy watching. We're going to Curry Island. We're here now in Curry Island.
So, dalayin po natin kami. Bring all your stuff po
Bababa na
because we
kami
will
sa-
stay there up until like 2.
Tumalo na yun, oh. Ang husay na nga. We're here in Curry Island of Palawan.
Tara.
Ayan po ang aming mga Coast Guard. Ayun yung aming bangka. Bumababa pa yung iba. Bali, dalawa kami kasi sa tour. Two group kami. Ayan. Guys, napakaganda ng island na to. Curry Island. Halos lahat ng nandirito is tourists. Nag-island hopping. Let's go and get a cottage. Nag-enjoy na kami mag-swimming kanina sa Luli Island. So, we're so tired and preparing for our lunch. So, we're going there. Sa dulo daw yung aming accommodation, aming cottage. Naka-ready na daw yung food. Ayan, so every corner there is a lifeguard station. Ayan, sky above sun below, fish it. Every corner there is a lifeguard. Ayan, may nagkakayak dito eh. Let me ask Cedric if he likes. So she said we can play volleyball if they want. If we can play volleyball if we want. Ayan, may net siya. Okay. Let's go there. Guys, sobrang init. I love Curry Island. Ayun. Magsiswimming kami later. Not that area is swimming is not allowed. There. Kaya lang mamaya na. It's too hot. Ang ganda ng mga mountain, oh. Let's go there at the other side. Yan guys, yung mga cottage na ganyan is 300 pesos daw. And yung mga Nifa hut na cottage like that one, it's 500 pesos. Yan guys, yung mga cottage na yan is worth 500 pesos. Ano naman yung smoking area. Napakaganda po ng Palawan. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda niya. Napakaganda po ng Palawan. Sobrang ganda niya. Nandito kami sa Curry Island. Ayan guys, that's all for today. We're going back to our boat. We're heading home, but first we will go to the souvenir shop. Ayan yung aming bangka. Iniintay na kami. Ayan.
Lagi na lang natin entrance.
Yun na nga, watery na. Yun, one by one.
Palakadin mo yan. Hindi mo alam? Hindi yun oy. Parang saan yung laman niya? Parang saan? Sige ba?
Ayan guys.
Message.
Andito na kami sa pier. Kami bababa na. Dito na kami sa fort. We're going back to the hotel now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all.